welcome to TechnoSpace channel. So in this video we will learn about how to fix excluded by Noindex tag. So in this video, as you can see, there are 63 pages that are affected, and we will remove these pages one by one from the removal tag. Okay, and we will fix this problem once and for all. So let's get started. What we will do is, see, these are the tags. Okay, we already have this page, and as you can see, I'll quickly show you how it looks like. This is a page, and this is one of the tag that appears in Noindex, which is of obviously no use. Either you can simply remove the tag, or you can remove this particular URL, which is of no use. Even if it runs, it is causing error in indexing. The crawling fails. So we will quickly copy and put it on a temporary removal. Okay, and we just have to put it on request, and this is a temporary URL removal. We copy, remove the URL, and simply click on next, submit the request. Okay, similarly you will have to remove all these Noindex URLs, the 63 URLs like this. Once you remove all that, all these tags, okay, then you can simply click on validation start. You have to click on see details and then start new validation. Your validation will pass and you will be able to rank your pages. Okay, so these are the tags, and if you see like this page, you just have to simply check whether this page is directing you to the main page or not. If it is redirecting you to the main page, to the post page, then it needs to be fixed. So this is how you will fix, and you will fix the Noindex tag. I will click on the in the shorts I will put the successful video successful validation passed short. You will see the result yourself. So thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful day.